my channel. So today we're gonna do addition. What is addition? Addition is like adding the numbers. So for grade ones, you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if you do +1, you'll go like 1, and then you're gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do the whole different solution to come out. We're gonna upgrade your steps a bit. So 5 is hundreds of. So we put the 5 here and turn it into 500. Then 2 is a tenth, so we put it here and do the 20. And 9 is a ones, so obviously we're going to do 9. And 679. 6 is a hundred, so we do 600. 7 is a tenth, so we do 70. And 9 is a 1, so obviously we're going to do the 9, like I said. So yeah, we're going to add the ones first. So this is the ones, this is the tenths, and this is the hundreds. I'm going to do it on another thing too. Oh. It kind of looks like a 90, so I'm just going to make it lowercase. I'm just going to make it lowercase to 1. So we're going to do for the hundreds. We're going to add them up. And that makes 1,100. And then for the tenth, we are going to add 20 plus 70, which makes 90. And then for the nines, we are going to do 9 plus 9, which makes 18. So take all that and I'll work out with this for you. Okay, 1,100 plus 90 equals 1,190. Then, so this is, for this to be an easy solution, we're going to do 1,190 here and putting the 18 here. But it's still going to be a plus symbol. 1,190 plus 18 equals 1,208. So boom, that's how you do it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!